12:08 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The update is ISRG. And why are we updating it? Because we made a lot of money on it again. And over the weekend, it's right here, short selling tutorial, how much money was made to the downside, but there was some good money made off of that bottom that we called at the price level. One of the things that I will point out is that facts are here, the truth is here. This was all done on Saturday. We did a lot of trades on ISRG that have made monumental profits by identifying the short side. Last week, just as a recap here, this is a 13-minute chart called ISRG. So each one of these bars are 13, they're not threes. So when we got down to the bottom here, from that last round of short selling, we had to get long off of here, and we had to cash in, and now we're short again. So let's kind of update what this looks like on 13-minute bars. Now, let's also show you ISRG, 486, $14.79. This is where the major breakdown happened before last week when we sold down. We broke 485 actually, and we went down to these bottoms here in the video, and it was time to get long. That was sold out. This thing has great price volatility to the upside too, but every time we get up here to the tops on a 13-minute level, it was time to get net short again. You had to come out of that long position, and the lows were 471, which was right here, and that was a great move off of the bottom again. Remember, making a market maker makes the market both ways. You will get the market maker alerts. You will have a yearly training program while you're actually getting the entries and the exits, provided with the gift of that market maker working for you and identifying the actual price movements. After many years, we know when to get long here. That was the intraday high. You had to come out of this gap. It ran, it consolidated. Nothing said to get out until we had that top resistance. There's the reversal. It wasn't going any lower. It came down here. It tested these half bars right in here. It found that support level. And once again, it traded, $8 off of the bottom up. $14.79 from the top down and 8 up. Do the math. This is what we do. This is what you need to do. We will give you trading capital. Listen, it's all about one thing. It's about learning what that market maker knows and how we make markets mathematically in high frequency programs. Every one of these trades right here are all paying. Here's the ISRG, but I wanted to update our newest people so that they understand one thing. What they used to do, they don't do, but what they do here, they do now. And directional price movement on all of these names was done before the fact, not after the fact. If you want to be part of success, then come and join us. If you really want to have engagement, come and join us. This is a 13-minute chart on ISRG, and each line is $1.36 per 16th. 1/16th of the dollar price, overall dollar price, is $1.36, and here's how accurate it is. Let's just take a look at where the top reversal was, MMT, and it was right here. That is mathematics working at that level, and we are that $1.36 per line. You can see exactly how accurate it is. Shoots right up there, bam, bam. Then look at the 13-minute sell bars come in, and they're dropping 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teenies times what? Very simple, $1.36 for each of those lines. When we got to the bottom and we came up, though, 1, 2 teenies times $1.36, and we had that diamond reversal above here, we had to get long intraday again. And you have to make the market in the direction that it goes, but you also need to know when to exit. And they'll tell you when to exit. You won't have any choice in the exit. It's about getting paid. So we all understand that. That is your intraday update, again, on a Tuesday FOMC meeting. And ISRG once again, has its wonderful trading ranges for price volatility. This is how you make money in the calls and the puts. So there's your update. Saturday training analysis with Tuesday gap to sell short from going long back up here. That's how ISRG trades. And it's heavily on headline news. We've already explained it. We just want you to know that these directional price movements are mathematically that accurate. No one can deny them because they can't. And why would you want to? Why would you want to deny success? Why don't you get part of it? Come and join us. Get into our live room. We'll be happy to take you through that market maker entry exit with profits.